Kia ora e te whānau, here we are, Haka Yarns. It's the final episode, so let's see what's happening.
Is a Maori production house. This is our behind the scenes video.
Hey! Hey! I said, I bet you they're going to film me coming in late. I'm going to kill it with the box.
It's crazy, everyone's, around here, so let's go set up.
Haka is the vibe. How cool are we? Haka is the vibe.
Nei te kōtaka whāmutinga, nā hei te mutinga, me papa hoki I ngā tapu katoa, so paku head start. Nāme.
Welcome to the engine room, whānau. Here we are. Haka usually sits here. He's got all the cameras. At the moment, we've got 5 cameras. If you look over there, we've got a crew cam. So we can get all the opinions. And I sit right here behind you. We've got audio monitored, all the tech, all the stuff.
Koera te regionals tuatahi.
Oh, shake.
We have minimal cables running, but what we do have is lots of XLRs running along the ground here, coming to our audio box. Now this is controlled remotely from the computer, and it runs all the way out so that we have both in-ear monitoring and recording of audio. Kia ora. 3 coffees.
Oh, bubbly coffees.
Lovely coffees. I like it. Cheers, it's fun. Righty-ho.
I tēnei te ringa, I noho mātou te crew cam. It's a bit of a new feature, so Happy and I and Tamihana often would be laughing or I'd be like this, often I'm like this, face palming because, well, I don't even know how to say why.
Te pū toikura ko te kapa tērā o Ginny.
Kao, ngā tai whiri ngā taua kapa.
Koene te pū toikura, koene te kapa o Ngāti Toa.
Kao, ngā wainui o mata.
Cut that out!
Oh my god! Koe nei, te kapa nei no te no wai.
It's actually a balancing act. You have to find the balance because, in our raw state, I feel like that's what people would love to watch. But it's also, he kaupapa Māori tēnei, he whare Māori tēnei. You have to find the balance between making it entertaining, engaging and raw, but also not hurting people's feelings.
And that's been one of the biggest things actually is what we've learned is that, the show, we want to keep it tight and everything, but what we're doing is we're cutting out actually the yarns, which is a bit of a give and take, and you've got to decide, okay, what can you keep in? And sometimes the yarns is what gets cut out, and which is the mauri of the hōtaka.
Hei au popo hoki mai ai mātou ki te whakakōpani I te ringa nei o Haka Yarns. Hoki tonu mai te iwi, tēnā tātou. That's a wrap.
What usually happens now, bro?
Well, I usually go and do the karakia for lunch. And I see we happier than doing the mahi.
Kia ora te whānau. So we've just finished recording our last show. So now I'll bring it all in, do a bit of a transfer. I'll transfer it now and then get it all set up for our edit. And true.
Well, we're all done for the season, so we're just packing everything up. So this will look like a plain room by the time we're done.
So when we finish our shows, we come to behind here, just in front of the tiki, to take our promo photos. Yeah, it's usually just this.
So we have our little photo shoots in there, and I have them on my phone, and then I airdrop them into myself to make our thumbnails.
I'm the production coordinator, so I get all of these people organised and on time. And great, I don't have to do that anymore.
Main experience, love the team here at Aratawa. Hakas is a life, so no, it's been a main series and mihi ana kia tātou, and looking forward to Te Matasani next year, so main.
There's been heaps of ups and downs and heaps of learnings as well. Not necessarily ups and downs, but heaps of learnings that we've been implementing, and we're really like trying to go hard on the YouTube, you know. And so that's been a bigger learning for us, is like actually trying to master this shit and trying to get squeeze as many views as we can out of this thing. But so it's been me.
13 rohe, it felt like a really long season, but I think it's the only place I tēnei wā ki te wānanga i ngā kaupapa o te haka, you know, break it down, talk about it. Many don't like it, many love it, it's all good. We need more, so yeah. Tēnā koutou, tā koutou mātaki, me tā koutou tautoko, ia Haka Yarns, ia arataua. Cheer.
Thank you, everybody.
Cheer. Boom.
This has been a great season. Why doesn't it? Martini collab or share any of our stories?